Hey everybody, this is Lance from tastytrade.com. This video I want to go over the SPY at the money buy side service that I'm helping run. Today was another winner and it happened very quickly. If you look on the SPY alerts, it's very straightforward. It'll say exactly where to buy a call or a put. Today was a call of 577, entry price 2.36, and then you do a take profit 2.83. Stop loss 1.42. We also added on the MES if you want to do this on funded futures accounts or just regular futures accounts that you have. And it says how much to take profit or stop loss. So notice entry price is 2.36. If you go to my alert, my fill is at 2.39, so very close to the 2.36. And then we close that out at 2.83. Very quick profit, only took about 4 minutes or so. And you just take profit and stop loss order, very straightforward, and it's a good service. So if you're interested, click a link in the description down below. You can ask me any questions on the comments, and see you guys in the next one.